normal day in Kangmonag.
Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. And yes, for today we are going to our grandparents' house again.
Pagdali, pero may hinayap. Magano lagi ko mag-walk tour sa bayon. Maglakaw, mag-video ra niya. Libutan tibok siya. Siga.
Today we are going to Cabahuan Beach. If you have watched my previous vlog that we went to Cabahuan via Sakayan, so that's by water. But right now we are going there. We have to go the other way. We're going to visit and see the ladder there. There's an ongoing renovation for the step ladder, the ladder going down. So yes guys, you have noticed I'm doing a voiceover, and this will be the first video that I'm gonna do it with. And yeah, I don't know if I do sound okay, but you can leave a comment down below. So this is the way. This is a small path. So look na siya. I mean, this actually is already being cleaned up. So this is Auntie Helen. She's one of the people who's currently renovating the ladder.
Ana ibaat sa bato. Abot na din sa ubos na le. Akat din dito. Ana, samot at siluling maman na.
It's a cliff ladder. We're so excited. Once this ladder is finished, a lot of people can have an easy access to the beach. It's not exactly a beach, as you can see, it's like rocks, but I don't know. So if you lives nearby this, Cabansilis, that was so very little. I mean, obviously it grew up. So yeah, that's my mother. We have an excuse in coming here as well. We were supposed to be getting fireworks again. They were cooking boiled banana. Yeah, I was just feeding that dog, and I don't know if she liked it, But then eventually she liked it. She kept eating every time I fed her.
Kung di na ako mabalik, kabulo na mo.
So this is me trying to go down and test the ladder if it's strong enough. So obviously I'm able to upload this vlog, so I came back alive. So far, ito pa po yung nagawa, natapos na. And they're still like halfway through at the end. So there's still a lot of things to do, but they're getting there. So this is me coming back up. And yeah, trying to climb over those rocks and ladders.
Ay, picturean ng katapok? May muna katupan, katapok. Snack time. Snack time dyan po na o. Nang snack pa yung tawon. Kagigutom. Gipaningot.
Ano ito, Bert? Katupad yun. Katapad ka. Mabilis yun dahil kagisay ka, Bert.
Albert, wala man kahing tapad hari, Albert. Wala man kahing tapad.
Siyura ba sa radyo ng magtatrabaho tuwan?
Taga inuko. Taga inuko ta.
Wala ba si Bana? Nangipit ng kamot. Patay man ni Paniro.
Maninda na ko ano niya po.
So it's time to go home. This is actually a tamarind tree. There's no ripe fruit out of it yet, but my mother was trying to get the unripe one, and obviously tamarind tree, it's a sour fruit. See? On the way home, we passed by Banana Q vendor. We actually did not buy Banana Q, but we bought nuggets I don't think that was nuggets. Tempura, kikiam. Oh yeah, it says it was a street food.